Hello, sir, the founder of Air Academy. I am feeling really great to be announced here right now that my students are doing great in their studies, not only their studies but also their behavior, manners, and the way of learning. I am satisfied. But considering the last years, I think there have been some of the problems, there have been some of lacunas among them. While you talk about the Odia medium students, though they are doing great in learning and understanding, but while it comes to writing in English, they back on themselves. I don't know what's the problems with them, and I don't know why they don't grasp English grammars or why they are fear of English language. This problem is not only for the Odia medium but also the English medium. Though they know that their entire syllabus is based on English, if they can't express their thoughts, they can't express their understanding in advanced English, how could they get a good scores? That's why this is the reasons. That's why they are quite back in some way, and by considering all these things, I think I'm bringing a grammar booster course for them. This course is truly based from this course is truly starts from the standards 3 to plus 2 levels. It will covers all their entire syllabus of grammars. It not only it doesn't mean that it is only the grammar, but also it will help them speaking and writing. English is a global language used in education, communication, and career opportunities. In this program, students will learn vocabulary enrichment, proper pronunciation, narrations, parts of speech, voice, especially how to ask questions and how to answer, translation from basic to moderate to advanced levels. In my point of view, this program will help them to build a strong base in their English literature. And the fees of these programs is not bigger. It is only 3,000 rupees, and that is not at a time. As I told everyone before that, यहाँ पे जो पढ़ाया जाएगा पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो, पहले पढ़ो. 1000 का सिर्फ एडवांस रहेगा, एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ रिविजन्स, एट द टाइम ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, ऑल द पेरेंट्स शुड बी प्रेजेंटेड हियर, एंड द परफॉर्मेंस बाय वाचिंग देयर स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस, दे विल पे फॉर if they gonna be satisfied, they will pay for 2000 rupees later. ओवरऑली हम अगर ये सिंपल सेंटेंस में बताएंगे, यहाँ पर जो प्रोग्राम चल रहा है इंग्लिश का, यहाँ पर 2 महीने का कोर्स रहेगा 3000 का फीस के साथ. ये जो प्रोग्राम मैंने डिजाइन किया हूँ, बच्चे ये 3rd स्टैंडर्ड से लेकर +2 लेवल तक जो भी ग्रामर होता है वो सारे कवर हो जाएगा उनमें. मतलब बच्चे डर रहे हैं इंग्लिश को, तो इसमें उनका कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होगा, मुझे विश्वास है. और इसका जो फीस है वो 3000 का है. पहले 1000 देकर वो एडमिशन लेगा, और 2 महीने के बाद जब सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाएगा सभी पेरेंट्स और सभी स्टूडेंट्स एक साथ रहेंगे. हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, आपको जो पूछना है पूछिए, ट्रायल लीजिए, वो अच्छा किया है कि नहीं, परफॉर्मेंस अगर सेटिस्फाई होते तो 2000 देना, नहीं तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे विश्वास है मेरा पढ़ाई पर और मेरा प्लानिंग पर. अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो ज्वाइन कराना. और ये कब से शुरू होगा ये मैं डेट मेंशन कर दूंगा. जस्ट मुझे जानना कितने लोग यहाँ पर इंटरेस्टेड है. थैंक यू.